Hey love, what's up? What's good, honey? Yes, welcome back to another episode with your girl today. As you can tell by the title, yes, it's kind of weird, but that's okay. Hey, I'm weird. I had a special request. Yes, honey, you requested it, and I am making those dreams come true, honey. Of course, I'm Candy Dreams, and that's just what I do. Anyway, so yes, honey, I don't know if you are familiar with the 5-minute crafts or the 5-minute hacks ideas that they have out. A lot of times those things are like the coolest things ever that you see. Like one time I did it using the pineapple. Check out that video. The 5-minute hack on peeling the pineapple apart. Yeah, that was pretty cool. And today I am getting ready to, yes, honey, flat iron some dollar bills. Okay, yes, flat iron some dollar bills. Well, these are not dollar bills, these are different types of bills, okay? But it was a request to upload this video, and of course, honey, I'm all about that. Like, I love ASMR, and of course I love money, so I definitely couldn't wait to give this a try. I always wanted to see if the hacks really work anyway, so why not give it a try, right? And yes, if you're wondering, are these really on, honey? Okay, sure did flat iron my hair right on the camera just like that. But today it's about flat ironing its money. Okay, so what we want to do, the hack is supposedly you are supposed to take the money and unfold it, of course, and you should be able to run it through the flat irons one pass, and it's supposed to become straight. Like, okay, let's see if it works. Okay, now, just so you know, there will be a little portion of the video that will be dedicated to ASMR because that was the request, was to do it in ASMR. So stay tuned to the end for the ASMR request, boo. Thank you, okay? All right, so listen, here we go. I'm going to unfold this so you guys can see. Just look at how wrinkled that dollar bill is, right? Okay, so I have my flat irons, and we're going to give it a try and see what it do. Smoking. Can y'all see that? It's smoking. Look. And it's working. Look, it's really freaking working, y'all. Look. It works. Would you look at that? Honey, yes. Now I feel like a kid again. Okay, for real. Remember when you was little? Maybe you didn't do this. But yes, honey, you can earn your money and fold it up and get it all nice and crispy to put in your little wallet or your little change purse, honey. Yes. Let's see. Let's keep going. Now I'm excited. Now I want to do them all. Now I wish I would have just kept all of my 10s and just ran them all through a flat iron. Like, OMG. Ain't this something? Wait till the kids get a look at these. They're gonna be like, dang, it really works, y'all. Look at that. Again, it works, okay? All right, we got a couple more bills to go, so let's do them all because, honey, I'm hyped, okay? Let's see. Do y'all see the smoke? Like, the smoke in here is real. This is like a real press out, a real blowout, okay? On the dollar bills. Okay, we got a $20. We got a hot 20 coming straight off the press. Look at that, honey, straight off the press. Well, almost. Look. Okay, and I didn't even unfold that one all the way. And look at that, y'all. Look, honey. This is so freaking cool. I ain't even gonna lie, it's so freaking cool. Okay, again, I got a couple more. Let me finish them all up. Okay, I gotta finish them all. Dang. Okay, okay. This is so freaking amazing. Again, one pass, just like that. Honey, you could probably put some flips in that thing. Let me see. And look at that. Flip, straight. You can probably crinkle it. No. Okay, here's my last couple dollars, right? Look. Look, y'all, I'm telling y'all, this is like so freaking awesome, so freaking cool. Like, you gotta try it. Like, I know you got some flat irons laying around the house that you probably don't want no more because I'm gonna have to clean these, of course, but that's okay. This was so worth it. This was so freaking worth it. Look at that. It's so crispy. Here we go. Look at how nice and crispy everything turned out. How freaking cool, right? Okay, look, I'm gonna put them all together, press them all together, because now they're ready to go in my wallet, right? Look at that. Fold it up like that, bam, and look, nice thin little layer ready to go inside that wallet, honey. Yes. Okay, so let me get to my ASMR, okay? Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. And thank you guys so much for looking and watching through the entire video. Honey, you're the real MVP because you stayed, okay? And don't forget, if you need more of Candy Dreams, Be sure to click the links on the sideline, honey, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button because that's more where that came from. Thank you guys so much, and I love you, and I can't wait to see you back. Bye, baby.